did it!
Welcome back to the channel. Back here with me, the hiking hooligan. So this weekend I went on a 11-mile hiking trip with my buddy Big Red Redis, that's his full legal name. We went to Bell Mountain in Missouri. We did a one-night 11-mile hike. First day we did about 5 to the campsite, and then we ended up having to do another 5 total round trip to get to the water source because we did not plan properly, and it was a scorcher. It was like 93 the first day, and man, it felt 93. Sweating like a hog. Second day, after that first 10-11 mile day, we just did a 6-mile hike back down. So overall, I did enjoy the hike. A lot of change in scenery. It wasn't, it had some wooded areas, some rocky areas, some open areas, some grassy areas, all the areas. Great. Not the most spectacular views, but it did have some good views out there. I think one of the clips you can see in the sunrise, pretty good view from our campsite. Downside, like I said earlier, extremely hot. We chose, I chose the worst week to do it when it was like 90s. So we'd be sweating like hogs out there, smelling like hogs. And there's a lot of ticks. Probably saw at least 20 ticks on me, so I ended up the second day just wearing pants the whole time just because the ticks were so bad. Neither of us really got bit at all. One started to attach, but we got it off me before it really did any work to me. Besides the ticks and the heat, it would be a really enjoyable hike. If anyone's thinking about doing it, I would definitely choose a cooler day and just be mindful of the ticks. Also on the loop, there's like a right side and a left side. The left side was where the water source was, and it was pretty poorly maintained versus the right side, or just in general, pretty poorly maintained. So if you're thinking about doing the hike, make sure you bring a lot of water. Plan that there's no real water sources, at least right now, because of the heat and low rain. And if you're gonna need water, you gotta walk all the way down to the far end of the left side of the creek. Catch you later. Hopefully more consistent videos, but probably not, because